Metal detectors help you uncover hidden treasures, relics, and lost items by sensing metal objects beneath the ground. The best models combine sensitivity, depth range, and ease of use to suit beginners and experienced hobbyists alike, making outdoor exploring more fun and rewarding. Starting at number 1. Nokta, the Legend Metal Detector. The Nokta, the Legend. Metal Detector is a rugged, high-performance metal detector designed for adults and treasure hunting enthusiasts, featuring simultaneous multi-frequency technology that adapts to various ground conditions and target types, from coins and relics to small gold nuggets. It's built with a waterproof design, IP68, allowing submersion up to about 3 meters, 10 feet, so you can hunt on beaches, in shallow water, or in wet environments without worry. The unit typically includes a 12.9 waterproof DD search coil and an AccuPoint pinpointer, long battery life, up to around 20 hours on a USB rechargeable battery, and advanced settings such as adjustable discrimination, threshold, and target ID to help distinguish valuable finds from trash. Lightweight and versatile, the Legend suits both beginners and experienced detectorists looking for reliable performance across all terrains. Number 2. XP Deus 2 RC Metal Detector. The XP Deus 2 RC Metal Detector, 22 FMF Coil 9, is a high-end, all-terrain metal detector designed for serious treasure and relic hunting, featuring fast multi-frequency FMF technology that lets it operate across a wide range of frequencies simultaneously for better target detection and discrimination in varied ground conditions. It uses a fully wireless system where the search coil, remote control, and headphones communicate without latency via XP's patented radio protocol, giving faster and more accurate feedback on targets compared with traditional wired detectors. The 9-inch FMF coil provides a good balance of depth and sensitivity, and the unit includes adjustable programs and frequency options to suit different environments like fields, parks, beaches, and more. Lightweight and versatile with advanced digital controls, the Deus 2 is well suited for both experienced detectorists and dedicated hobbyists looking for a powerful, flexible detector system. Number 3. Minelab Vanquish 540. The Minelab Vanquish 540 metal detector is a versatile, multi-frequency metal detector designed for adults and serious hobbyists who want dependable performance across a wide range of environments, from parks and fields to beaches and wet sand. It uses Minelab's multi-IQ simultaneous multi-frequency technology to combine the benefits of multiple detectors into one unit, helping you detect different metals more effectively without having to switch frequencies manually. The Vanquish 540 offers several search modes, such as coin, relic, jewelry, custom, and all metal, adjustable iron bias control to reduce unwanted targets, and a waterproof 12X9 DD coil that lets you search in shallow water up to about 1 meters with confidence. Additional features like pinpoint mode for precise target location, audio control with multiple volume levels, and a red LED backlight for low light conditions make this detector a strong choice for a wide range of treasure hunting adventures. Number 4. DR.ÖTEK Metal Detector. The DR.ÖTEK Metal Detector for adults. Waterproof with 10 to IP68 coil, is a beginner-friendly yet capable metal detector designed for adults interested in treasure hunting, beach detecting, or finding gold and silver with greater ease. It features a large backlit LCD display that shows target information clearly, multiple detection modes including all metal, discrimination, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint for tailored searching, and a 10-norm IP68 waterproof search coil that can detect targets up to about 10 inches deep and perform well in shallow water and wet sand. The detector's advanced DSP chip and adjustable sensitivity help improve accuracy and reduce interference, while the adjustable stem and included accessories make it easy to use for a wide range of users and environments. It's often praised as a fun starter detector, though some hobbyists note that more advanced models may offer better performance as you progress. Number 5. PANCKY Metal Detectors. The PANCKY Metal Detectors for adults. Waterproof, professional higher accuracy. Gold detector with LCD display, 5 mode, advanced DSP chip 10 coil. PK075 is a waterproof metal detector designed for adults and beginners who want to start treasure hunting with a capable yet easy-to-use device. It features 5 detection modes: all metal, discrimination, memory, jewelry, and pinpointer. So you can tailor your search to different kinds of targets, and its second generation DSP chip boosts detection speed, sensitivity, and accuracy compared with many basic detectors. The large backlit LCD display makes it easy to read target information and settings even in low light conditions, while the IP68 waterproof 10 NOS search coil lets you hunt on beaches or in shallow water. This model typically comes with a full set of accessories, making it a solid entry-level choice for hobbyists interested in coins, relics, and other buried metal finds.